Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to add and configure a free VPN on Windows 11 PCs. I will show you two methods. In this, no credit card, no subscription and no account creation needed. Without further delay, let's get it started. The first method is genuinely impressive because it uses a feature that's already built in directly into Windows 11. For that, click on Start menu. Then click on Settings. Here, from the left panel, click on Network and Internet. This will open Network and Internet page. Here, click on VPN. Here you can see VPN connections, and the right side you will see Add VPN button. Click on it. This will open Add a VPN connection window. Here you have to enter these VPN configuration details. For getting free VPN configuration settings, simply open your web browser, search for VPN Gate. Hit Enter. In the search result, click on the first link. If it's not working, click on this link here. You will see a live list of available VPN servers from countries all over the world. The list shows you each server's location, current speed, uptime and connection quality. Here is the username and password that you have to use. When you find a server that you want to use, select the host name and right-click on it and copy it. Now go back to Add a VPN connection window. Here, VPN provider select as default Windows built-in. And connection name, for example, just type VPN Gate. And server name or address, paste the copied server name here. Leave VPN type set to automatic. For sign-in information, select username and password from the drop-down. Then, in both the username and password fields, type the word VPN in lowercase. Now, click on Save. Your VPN connection has been created. To connect, simply click on Connect. Windows will establish the connection in a few seconds. Once it says connected, your internet traffic is now being routed through that server. To confirm that, just open your browser and search for what is my IP address. Click on the first link. Here you will see that if you selected a Japanese server, you should now appear to be browsing from Japan. If you selected US server, you appear to be in US. The location change confirms the VPN is routing your traffic correctly. One important note about VPN Gate servers, because they are run by volunteers, individual servers can go slow down or offline without notice. So, if you ever find a connection is slow or drops out, just go back vpngate.net, pick a different server and your connection settings with the new IP address. If you prefer something simpler, a proper app with a clean interface that handles everything for you, here is the second method. For that, in the search box, search for Microsoft Store. Click and open it. This will open Microsoft Store. Here in the search box, type VPN. Hit Enter. Here you will see a range of options, both free and paid. The one we are going to use, Hotspot Shield VPN. It has a free option that works well for basic use and it's been around long enough to have a solid reputation. Click on Hotspot Shield and click on Get to install it. Just wait for some time to get it installed. Once it's done, click on Open. When the app launches, you will be walked through a quick setup. Select the basic free plan. Once you are in the main interface, you will see a simple Connect button. Click on Connect. Hotspot Shield VPN will automatically select the best available server for your location and establish the connection. Within few seconds, you will see your virtual IP address and the confirmation that you are connected. To confirm that, just open your browser, go to What is my IP address website again. Here you can see that it is connected different country server. You are now browsing through an encrypted VPN connection without having typed a single IP address or changed a single system settings. To disconnect, when you are done, just open the app and click on Stop. Your connection will restore to normal immediately. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.